You listen. My husband is about to sing his favorite African song, precisely Ghana song. He has been practicing this song for the past 5 years since his son was born. Please listen to the song very well. Do not laugh at him. Do not judge him. He is very, very much a talented British man. So, I'm going to give him the mic. Pay attention. Be nice. Be sweet to him. And listen to the song. Kobina?
Medasi.
Let it go.
Pano show. Woody baku bere mieno pano show. Sitro papana. Woody baku bere mieno pano show. It was good?
It was good.
Thank you.
You smashed it.
Yeah, that's what
Ayazi.
Piacere.
Preach.